Hello everyone, Teacher Demyan here from the Creative Edu Academy here speaking. Welcome back to another video of learning grammar with me. But this time we're taking a look at am, is, and are in question form. Let's dive into it. Moving on to the first one. So, if we take a look at this here, we obviously know that am, is, and are can and should be used when stating a positive or a negative statement. For example, I am going to school, or he is going to school, or they are going to school. You remember in the previous video I taught you? Okay, so now let's get into it, but this time it's in question form. Well, it's simple. I am is positive. If we're asking a question, we just reverse that. We switch it up. It becomes, am I going to school? So if I want to ask myself whether I'm going to school or not, I ask, am I going to school? Or if I'm deciding what I want for lunch or dinner, I would say, am I having chicken curry tonight? So, now, let me show you. That's the use of am I. What about he, she, it? Well, here, it's the same. We switch it up. He is becomes is he. She is becomes is she. What about it? Well, it's the same. It becomes is it. So, got it everyone? Now, let's move on to the last one here. The third one. We have we are becomes are you. You are becomes are you. Did I get that one right? Okay, we are becomes are we. You are becomes are you. They are becomes are they. Are they going to the park? Are you going to the park? Are we going to the park? All right. Now, let me look at here. Look, take a look here. So we have, what's your name? David. Are you married? No, I'm single. So, are you married is the use of the question. How old are you is another form of question. Are you a student is another form of this question. So, let's get into one down here. Am I late? No, you're on time. Is your mother at home? No, she's out. Are your parents at home? No, they're out. Is it cold in your room? Yes, a little. Your shoes are nice. Are they new? Okay. So, look at here. We say, is she at home? Is your mother at home? Not, is at home your mother? No, no, no. We say, is she at home? Is your mother at home? Second one, we also say, are they new? Or, are your shoes new? Not, are new your shoes? We don't say that. Okay, now let's move on to the next page. How do I swipe down? Okay, now take a look here. Now we're going to ask a couple more questions. We want to know where, what, who, how, and why things happen. So, when we want to know the position or location of something, we use where. Where is your mother? Is she at home? Second, for what, we use what color is your car? Or what brand is your phone? Then, for numbers or age, we use how old is Joe? He is 24. Or how much does this cost? Or how are your parents? When we want to know the state of something. How are your parents? Are they well? Okay, now moving on to why. This hotel isn't very good. Why is it so expensive? This hotel isn't very good. Why is it so expensive? When we want to know the reason, we use why. Okay, now let's move on to the short forms of these question marks. So we have what's for what is, who is becomes whose, how is becomes how is, how is becomes how's, where is becomes where's. What's the time? Where's Lucy? Who's that man? And how's your father? Or why's that? Okay? All right, now let's take a look here into short answers. Quick break. Okay, so now if we are going to answer questions and we want to keep them short and simple, we use this formula. Yes. We say yes or we say no, like this. Yes, I am. Yes, she is. Yes, they are. Now, if we want to answer it in a negative form, we say no, I'm not. No, he's not. No, we're not. Or no, he isn't. No, we aren't. Got it? So if I ask you, are you tired? You say, no, I'm not. Are they tired? No, they aren't. Okay, so that wraps it up for the end of this video lesson. I hope to catch up with all of you guys soon in the next video here at the Creative Edu Academy. Teacher Demyan out. See you next time, everyone. Goodbye.